Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Ladies and gentlemen, imagine one day when our children and grandchildren look into our eyes and they ask, why? Why do you let our planet hurt and let it be destroyed? What will our answer be? Indonesia has recorded with the highest carbon emission from fossil fuel combustion, and it is reaching 36.8 billion tons of dioxide. And at the same time, we have lost 1.94 million hectares of forest, making Indonesia with the second highest deforestation rate in the world by World Population Review. Forests that should absorb carbon has now turned into toxic factories. This is not just a number, it is ticking time bomb. Before I start the fact deeper, allow me to introduce myself. Greetings to you all, I am Andi Bintang Tuardondo from Universitas Ahmad Dahlan, Yogyakarta. Now, let us imagine if we keep eating without stopping until our stomach can no longer hold food, what will happen? Yeah, absolutely, we will explode. And this is the real case is happening right now. To the planet, to our Earth, the amount of carbon release is far greater than can be absorbed. And the consequences are real. The first one, along the coast of Java, home are sinking due to the sea level 7 centimeters per year, making flood news everywhere and every day. The second one is extreme weather, like a prolonged drought over the past half century, and it's taken 2 million people's lives, according to the UN agency. This is not just an environmental crisis, it's a moral crisis. And we know the cause: illegal deforestation, mining exploitation, and our greediness. If this continuously, where our children and grandchildren live? The big question is, do we want to be generation that save our earth, or will be those who destroyed it? We can still change the course if we act right now. And to clear this problem, we need a pentahelix collaboration, a strategic partnership between 5 key sectors: academician, business, community, government, and media sector. So the first sector is the academician. They must raise the awareness to anyone so they know how to protect our earth. The second one is the business sector. They must adopt the ecological footprint and implement it there in the real action. And the third sector is the community. The community, they must reduce the waste. They must plant more trees and take for the big action. And the fourth is the government sector. So the government, they must make stricter laws to anyone who wants to destroy our planet. And the last one is the fifth, is the media sector. So the media sector, they must spread the awareness through the news, through the social media, and take for the big campaigns. They must expose the environmental crisis destruction to anyone so they know how big problem and how big urgency we're facing today. But let's be honest, this collaboration often fail. Trust is broken, silos dominate, certain profit survival and enforcement is weak. So how? How do student generation ignite this? We don't wait, we act now. The first one, we must deeply understanding the crisis. We must challenge the misinformation online and offline and also be a conscious consumer. The second one, we must have the political and accountability. We must use our vote online, offline, make petition and real enforcement. Use our vote wisely. And the third is connect and collaborate. We must build student network across Indonesia. We must share strategy and collect for justice across Indonesia. Imagine millions of us doing this. We become the pressure, we become the innovation, and absolutely we become the moral compass to forcing the pentahelix collaboration finally work. If all elements work together, we can create a major transformation. And how about the impact? Absolutely. We can realize the Sustainable Development Goals number 13, climate action, a more healthier environment, and absolutely a more sustainable about our energy. This is not just a speech, it is the creation of war. The change must start with ourselves. We are not the heirs of the earth, we are the last guardians. The choice is in our hands to be heroes or to be forgotten relics of the past. No earth, No life. Stop thinking, then act. Thank you for your attention and let's save our planet. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.